This video is brought to you by DecoNetwork. DecoNetwork software is designed for the apparel decoration industry to keep staff and equipment running smoothly. Learn more at DecoNetwork.com. Business owners should never be satisfied. From multi-million-dollar businesses to first-year startups, you as a business owner should always be looking to find ways to improve, no matter how successful you are today or how successful you have been in the past. You have obviously done something right if you made it this far in your life as a business owner, but we want to give you some ideas on how to take your business to the next level. If you already have a website set up for your business, you might be thinking that running a successful website is easy and your website is already good enough. But odds are, it could use some work. There are several key aspects that go into running a successful website. Is your website visually appealing to the eye? Is your website easy to navigate? Are the items you're selling easy to locate and buy? If you check all three of those boxes, you should be well on your way to running a successful website. If you want to take your business to the next level, gathering customer feedback is a great place to start. Think about how many times you have used a customer review to determine whether or not you do business with someone. A simple review could influence someone's decision making, and you want to make sure you're on the right side of that. So you want to start gathering some customer reviews. How do you go about doing that? There are several ways. In person, on your website or reviews website, via email, via social media, and on receipts and invoices. Don't underestimate the power of online reviews, both positive and negative. Receiving positive reviews will ultimately lead to more business. Negative reviews will give you feedback on how to improve your business. If you haven't heard already, Facebook is an awesome way to promote your business. From having the ability to start a business page to running Facebook ads, the possibilities are endless when it comes to the world's largest social media platform, and you need to be taking advantage of that. Make posts about your business and make posts on a regular basis. Formulate a schedule in which you are posting content to your business Facebook page and consider running paid ads that can boost those posts. If you're a small town business looking to make a name for yourself, attend, host, and sponsor locally in your community. Sponsor your local high school's athletic teams. Attend community events like a fall festival or a Christmas parade. Host events at your business such as a game night or movie night. The main goal of this is to get the name of your business out there. Grow your brand awareness by getting out and meeting people in your community. We hope these ideas have given you a jumping off point to start promoting and improving your business. If you have any questions or any ideas, please feel free to share them down below in the comments section.